Hello, my name is Mark Weber, and I'm thrilled to be submitting my application for the position of Learning and Organizational Development Manager. I hope as I answer these questions, you'll get a better sense for who I am and how I will approach the position. With that, let's get started. The first step in redesigning a leadership development strategy is to do a current assessment of the organizational vulnerabilities and gaps. We'll do this by performing a review of the goals of each of the individual business units and compare that to performance outcome. We'll use tools such as SWOT, individual surveys, and of course gathering feedback from staff and leadership. After we've done that, we want to look and do an assessment of any future needs. So once we've identified what the current gaps and vulnerabilities are, we've identified what our needs are going to be in the future, we're going to put this all in and identify the skills, resources, and structures necessary to address those needs. Once we've done all this, we're now ready to move into developing our strategic plan. Strategic plan needs to be focused on short-term and long-term goals ranging anywhere from 12 months to 36 months. The objectives should be broken down into specific measurable performance targets, and then we want to look at everything from onboarding to succession planning and do everything to develop a forward-thinking strategy that focuses on maximizing employee potential, while also reinforcing organizational culture. And lastly, what we definitely want to do is make this an annual process where we're constantly reevaluating our performance and needs that can be evolving based on changes in technology and vulnerabilities and the marketplace. An organization's culture is essentially a fiber that runs through it, creating a system of shared beliefs and values. It also defines at its core how things get done. It's important that a culture is reinforced through open communication and through leadership. One of the main reasons an organization's culture is so critical to performance is it helps define expectations. And by defining expectations, that reduces the opportunity for surprise and creates an environment for employees to thrive. While I was an investigator for the California Fair Political Practices Commission, I began noticing that there were certain resources afforded to investigators that were not being used to their full potential or did not hold value. So I approached my manager, asked to do a program review, and over the course of 3 months identified several resources that we were able to eliminate because they did not provide any value, as well as tap into some open source technology that helped improve the performance of the investigators. This resulted in an annual savings of about $30,000 to the Enforcement Division budget. My wife and I are both proud graduates of USC's Price School, receiving our MPAs in 2012. After graduation, we moved to Southeast Asia to found a social business. Throughout that experience, we were in constant communication with alumni groups internationally as well as domestically. Since graduation, we remained engaged with the Price School and the campus as a whole. I would love nothing more than to help build USC's brand as one of the world's most forward-thinking and premier academic institutions. I thank you for your consideration and look forward to hearing from you.